Hello everyone, this is Ashutosh Dwivedi here and just you are most welcome on my YouTube channel Ashu Official 2021. So just today I'm here with a really fantabulous topic, and so guys, firstly I can say that I'm really happy with you guys and you are really supporting me. So just I'm making really I think more and more videos for you guys. So just I think let's get started. Let's talk about the topic today. So today I'm going to talk about really an interesting topic. So the beginners always they are really confused about this question. They would like to say how to talk with the strangers if they don't know anyone, so how they can make a healthy conversation. This is the biggest conversation. It is arising in everyone's mind. Even also I was also thinking the same when I started my journey. Even I don't know any person, so how can I talk to him, and how's gonna conversation very beautiful. So this question was arising and it was just running in my mind to make a video on this topic. So maybe it can be beneficial little bit for guys who are just going to start their journey and who have also the same question in their mind about how to talk to the strangers and how it's gonna help them to become a better speaker. So just today I'm going to tell you what nowadays I told you in the I think last videos and the before videos as well. Just you can watch another videos as well where I told to the people there a lot of platforms are working for I can say that a speaking purpose. You can join the WhatsApp groups. There's a Hello application. Just you can join. Of course you can talk to the people, but this is the one of the biggest problem. If you don't know them, so how you can talk very well. So first thing I'm going to talk about, whenever you are just going to talk with any stranger on audio call and video call and anything, of course firstly you can start with your introduction and you can introduce him. I think you can introduce yourself. I can say that you can tell about yourself to him, and after that you can ask the question, tell me something about yourself and give me your brief introduction. I would like to know you better. So this kind of question you can start your journey with any kind of standard. Doesn't matter to whom you are talking and to whom you are going to talk now. So just you have to know about the firstly what the person's doing, what about the name, what about the place he is coming from, and after knowing that, just you can know whenever he will tell about the place. So maybe he can be from the same state, so you can ask the question regarding the state as well. So how, and you can ask like that there are few general topics everybody can talk about that. So first thing, after asking this, you can ask about the family of him as well, like that how many family members are there in your family. After knowing about the family and the professions of everyone, just you can ask about the hobbies of that person. If like that, after that he will also ask about your hobbies. So if your hobbies are matching, so after that you can find a common hobby and just you can talk about that hobby, because that person is also interested in the same hobby and the same thing. So he's gonna talk to you and you can talk more and more with him. So that's gonna make really I think wonderful and really healthy conversation for you. And the second thing, there are a few general topics nowadays. I can say that firstly, whenever nowadays this is pandemic time, so when you are going to talk to anyone, the people they are asking the question, how's the situation there, and the how I can say that what about the situation and which kind of rules and regulations government are putting towards the people. So this kind of question you can just give the answer, so it can also enhance your time to do conversation with anyone. And after that there's a weather, just it's a normal. If it doesn't matter the person you are talking, he's living in US, he's living in New Zealand, he's living in London, he's living in I think Middle East countries, doesn't matter. Just you can ask normally about the weather. How's the weather there, and it's hot or it's cold, and so which kind of, and what are you doing, and you are enjoying this weather or not, or you are not liking it. So this kind of general question just you can put towards him and just you can know, and the same question he can also ask about it, because of course everybody can tell about the weather is a general topic. And after that, whenever just you want to talk about anything more as well, so there are few topics. The few people they are really interested about politics, but of course in the politics you can ask to the people, are you interested in politics? If that person is saying no, so just don't go in the deep for the politics, just leave that topic and try to find another topic which is common to you. So that is another topic you can talk about. Like we people are living in India, so I can say that more than 60 to 70% they are really interested about cricket. Always they want to talk about the cricket, cricket players, Virat Kohli, Sachin Tendulkar, Rohit Sharma, Shikhar Dhawan. So you can also discuss about the cricket as well. So this is also the burning topic to like that, which I think this is a topic everybody wants to talk about it, the cricket team, and this is really proud for us, like Indian team is doing well and the people in IPL, they are also doing well. So this is the thing you can discuss for the few minutes, and it can also make your conversation better. After that, you can talk about, like, if you want to enhance your communication skills more, so just you can ask about the suggestion as well. You can ask to that person what I can do more to, I can say that, enhance and enrich my this kind of skills. This is a normal question, and this is the most frequent asked question, I will say. Whenever I'm going to talk to anyone, they are going to ask the same question. They are asking like that, Ashutosh, what are you doing for enhancing your skills? I say to them, just there is no tablet, there's nothing like that. There's only the practice, practice, practice. We have to talk to the people more and more. And now we have a lot more platforms where we can generally do discussion, do talk about the people, and we can share a lot of things about ourselves. So these are the topics where we can discuss and we can explore a lot, and there are a lot more hobbies, and if you're finding a hobby, I told you before as well, after that you can make discussion and you can ask deeper questions as well. And you both persons are really interested in, I think, communication skills, like English communication skills nowadays. So you are on the same platform, so where you can talk about how we can do experiments, how we can try new things to learn better. And this is also the question the people they want to ask. Whenever I'm speaking, I'm not getting much more words, I'm getting fear to talk with anyone. Firstly, try to know about him, try to know about the behavior in few minutes, how he is. After that, just you will feel little bit better from, I think, initial of the few minutes. After that, you can just ask a lot more question and you can feel familiar, you can feel, I think, normal to talk with him. So there are a lot more things to discuss about. We can just discuss this kind of general questions to everyone, not with one person. If you are going to talk to anyone, we can talk about weather, we can talk about situation, we can talk about the likes and dislikes, we can talk about hobbies, what he is like, we can talk about sports. We can talk about you are a social person, you like to go with your friends or not. So this kind of questions and this kind of topics generally we can discuss, and everybody's like about the memories as well. So most of the people, they have really good memories of their childhood. So whenever you are going to talk to anyone, just ask this question, what do you like about, what you were liking too much about your childhood and you want to get back now, but of course due to an adult now it's not possible to get back this kind of things. So these are the things where we can discuss. A lot more things are there to discuss about, and we can enhance our time. At least if you are not able to talk, I think, half an hour, 30 minutes. So in the beginning, just you can start your journey from the, I think, at least 5 and again 10 minutes. After that, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and 20 to 30. After then, easily you can do conversation with any stranger for 30 minutes, an hour, and it's more than enough for practicing with one person. If I'm going to talk to a person for 30 minutes, it's really helpful for me, and it's going to be healthy conversation. After that, if you want to talk more and more with the people, just you can go for the long conversation as well. If your thoughts are matching, if you are liking the way of speaking of him, just you can go for the 1 hour, 2 hours even as well. I have seen a lot more communicators, they want to go for the long conversations always. Even I'm also doing sometimes long conversation. If I'm liking, if that person is really experienced, I want to talk to him more and more, and I want to get a lot more knowledge from him, because the curiosity should be there. If you are a kind of person who's not taking interest in the communication and that kind of conversation, another person will be also like that. After that, he will feel like indolent, he will feel like dull and monotonous. After that, he is not going to talk to you for long. So just feel energetic, and I think, try to know a lot more things from him if he is really experienced, and try to know about the questions, try to get the answers. So this kind of things is going to help you in your journey. So like this, just choose this kind of topic and talk to the foreigners. I'm sure about it, you are going to do rock in the future, and you are going to become really great speakers within a few months if you will try this kind of skills, and if you will try this kind of general topics only. Talk to the people in the beginning. After that, you will be able to discuss about population, pollution, our country's problem, and child labor, and dowry system. A lot more topics are there to do debates, to do discussion, and we can put our views towards the people, and of course we can enjoy that conversation as well. So that is all about my view, and just enjoy watching this video as well, and just learn something how we can start talking with anyone, I think, to whom I don't know, I think, before, and just I'm going to meet him, I think, just first time. After that also we can make that impression very well, and very well, first impression is the last impression always. When you are going to impress this person, that person in the first time, he's gonna be, I think, talk to you in the future as well, and you can become the good friends, good buddies, to make good English conversation. So today just I was telling you guys how to talk with the strangers, and I told you a lot more things, just of course, so you can just follow these kind of rules and regulations, and you can talk to the people on this manner about like that, these kind of general topics. After that you will get interest towards them, and you can make conversation daily, and you can make few conversations every day. So it's consistency matters a lot. I'm telling you in every I think video, this is must for us. If we are going to practice daily, it is giving a difference from others, and we are going to be ahead from another people. So just try to make consistency, and try to talk to the people on daily basis. It's gonna be help you become better. And thank you, and many thanks to you guys for supporting me. And in the last, I would like to say, just hit the subscribe button of my YouTube channel for watching this kind of really valuable content in the future. So I would be more energetic, I would be more motivated to make a lot more videos on this kind of topics. So thank you, many thanks to you, and just take care of yourself and stay in home. This time is really horrible. So okay, bye bye, take care.